Today, we're diving into states of matter. Matter is anything that takes up space. So, us, the air you're breathing, and the half empty packet of chips that you ordered, yeah, that's mass. Mass is more than just steamy clouds. It has transformation, it has changes, and it's very, very cool. So, let me tell you all about it. Solids. They're the strong and silent types. They have a fixed structure and a fixed volume because their molecules are packed tightly together. For example, ice cubes, your backpack, and a book. Then comes in liquid. They're strong, but they're also flexible. So even though they have fixed particles, they can slide past each other. And that is why liquids always have a fixed volume, but they take the shape of the container that they're inside of. For example, water, juice, soda, etc. Now comes the gaseous ones. They're wild. Nor do they have a fixed volume and nor do they have a fixed shape. They just take the shape of whatever space they are in. That is because their particles are not packed very tightly. They're actually very airy and spaced out. And for example, we can take those helium balloons that you're blowing up for your sister's secret birthday party. You can take the air that we breathe in, and you can also take in water vapor that appears on the top of your lids when you boil water. So, of course, we all know that ice is the solid version of water and water vapor is the gaseous version of water. So whenever you boil water, or for example you're boiling ice, now this ice turns into water. This is called condensation, when a solid turns into a liquid. And if we boil that even further, this liquid water will turn into water vapor, into a gaseous state. That is called evaporation. That is when a liquid turns into a gas. And we also have sublimation, when gas turns into a solid, when water vapor turns into dry ice. We also have plasma. It's a super hot ionized gas which we find in lightning stars. It's an extra very special state of matter. And let's not forget about Bose-Einstein condensate. That's when a lot of atoms group together and act like one giant atom. This usually happens at extremely high temperatures, well, extremely freezing high temperatures. And yeah, that is just about how weird matters of state of matters can get. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button because I make science videos daily, and who knows, maybe I'll see you in my next one.